Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have converted unit timestamp into date for messages. Here you can see. Now, we are going to add functionality that user can delete these messages from system. For that, we will add a class here in the delete and add a click listener on that class. So whenever a user will click on delete, that click listener is triggered and send request to system to delete the information. So let's do it. Here you can see we already have a class here, so we will say delete message, copy and create a click listener. So here we have a click listener. Now what this click listener do? We will add a value of ID in this click listener here. And we will get this ID by here. Delete ID. Now we will send this delete ID to the system to delete the information of message. So we need to create a AJAX call which will send the information. We will copy it from any other. We need a post request like this one. Okay, let's search for delete. Here you can see we have a delete. Simply copy this one and paste here. Now we will create a dynamic object which will match by the object which is available in system. I mean by message object. Here we come into the models and here you can see we have messages model. So this model is look like this. So we will create this, copy this variable name and use that here and pass this value here. So this dynamic object will automatically map within the system. For messages, we will use messages controller and create action, delete message. This is the action which we need to create in the next video. Then we will place this dynamic object within the data, and post is the type of transferring the information. When we will send request here, the next thing is it will create a SQL connection and send data to database where we have a query to delete the information. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.